To start using your Ricoh Theta V or SC camera to create virtual tours, you will need to download the app on your smartphone. Search for Theta S and download the app entitled Ricoh Theta S. Once it has downloaded, open up the app and give it permission to access your photos by clicking OK. Then choose whether you wish to import the sample images into the app. This is optional and will have no impact on your use of the camera. You will then see a message flash up that lets you know that the app cannot connect to the camera. In order to connect it, simply press the power button on the side of the camera. The camera will take up to 20 seconds to fully power up, and once it has, a blue camera icon will display on the front of the camera. Now click the Wi-Fi button on the side of the Ricoh Theta for around 1 second. This will make the Wi-Fi symbol flash on the front of the camera to show that it is ready to connect. When this happens, go into the settings section on your phone and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings, just as you would when connecting to any other Wi-Fi network. Find the Wi-Fi network that starts with Theta and select it. The first time you connect, you will be prompted to type in the password, and this can be found on the bottom of the camera. It is also conveniently within the name of the Wi-Fi code. It normally starts with 00 as shown. Once you have entered this, just click Join to connect. Once you have connected, you will notice that the blue Wi-Fi symbol on the camera will stop flashing. Navigate back to the Theta app and click the icon in the middle of the bottom toolbar. You should then be able to view the space around you in panoramic mode. You can also change this view to see it in 360 degrees by tapping the icon again. You are also able to edit various options to ensure that your camera is optimized for the environmental conditions that you are shooting in. To do this, tap the Option Setting button and use the slider menu to select the appropriate mode. If you are shooting in very poorly lit conditions, you can use the Noise Reduction setting. Whereas for well-lit environments, the camera's HDR mode is by far the best setting. The left-hand side option, entitled EV, allows you to change the exposure value of the images you take, which simply means that you can control the brightness of the photos you are taking. In the top right-hand corner, you have your shooting settings. Here you can choose options such as self-timer, but we recommend keeping the camera in the normal shooting mode for the purposes of creating a virtual tour. You can also turn on Display After Shooting, as this will show you a preview of the image once you have taken it. There are extra settings in the bottom right-hand corner, and here is where you can manually adjust settings such as shutter or ISO priority. However, we recommend keeping your Ricoh Theta in auto mode, as it will detect the best possible settings for you. You should also confirm that your camera is in photo mode and not video mode by ensuring that the camera icon is lit at the top of the screen. Now we are ready to take our first photo. Click the middle button in the bottom toolbar to take your photo. Once you click Shoot, it will take a few moments to process and transfer the 360-degree photo to your device. Once you have taken an image in each room, or a couple in larger or L-shaped rooms, all you need to do is upload your images into EyeSpy360's platform and create your virtual tour.